Hi, my name is Trisha Biles. I'm very excited to promote the Human Library Initiative at Washington College. We're thrilled to have the opportunity to bring this community together, tell our stories, and build a stronger community, break down barriers, break down cliques, and have students, faculty, staff come together and hear each other's life stories.
Tonight's event was, I came with some assumptions about what to expect, but it delivered and went above and beyond. The biggest thing that we really want to emphasize that this human library is a mosaic in that we are looking for the entire community to contribute what and how we shape this series of events. The student presence tonight, the faculty presence, the staff presence, all of it was so appreciated. We recognize that through the limited perspective that we have as individuals, we really have to be careful and invite all the stakeholders to the table. And I'm so grateful that people were enthusiastic in their sharing. The different workshops, I saw that we didn't do a good job of explaining that you can only choose one. And I noticed that everyone was raising their hands repeatedly for workshops. I was like, oh, but you can only choose one. So that felt really affirming that this is a welcoming environment and this is the right time and the right place for the Human Library. And hopefully we can foresee many of these activities into the future. I'm hoping that in like a decade from now, we can look back on this experience as like the start of something that becomes a part of our tradition as Washington College community members.